Okay, here we are with the fix for the operation of this thing not going up and down, which is the sat nav, and we've managed to get off the cover. I've disconnected it. Didn't film it because there was already a video on there. But as you can see, two holes at the side there and one at the front. There's the clip there, either side. You see they're just push ones, and those ones. So you pull it up. Once you've got it undone, you can lift it up. Now, like everybody's saying, this is what I used. And you put it in round about here. I put the corner in first and then slid it around like that, and it goes in, and then I literally just pushed it up a little bit and it popped up like so. It'll pop out of there as well once you pull it underneath here a bit, and then the top ones, again, you just put your hand underneath the sat nav once it's disconnected and pull it up. I'm going to film the installation of the spline as well, the cogs, and see how we go from there. Okay, here we have the satellite navigation system out with the cogs in the background there, and also the service bulletin manual, which I printed off the internet. It takes us through step by step. So I've taken the 3 screws out to discover the body of it, and now you can also see that the cog is broken. There's no connection through that, and that cog is the one near the spring. So we'll see if we can pull it apart and get a result. Okay, here we are. So we're going to just take this apart. Got my service bulletin out, and I'm looking at what to do next. Carefully pull the side and remove from figure. So, okay, here we have the part, and the next thing is to pull gear C off spindle. Yep, so it's definitely that one. Let's see. Next one, pull D off spindle to remove it. Discard D. Okay, well that's D, that's the one that's knackered. So that's number D. Carefully move the display to the open position. Okay, that's the open position. Just tell you where I am here. So at this stage, yeah. Number 15. Okay, number 17 is unhook two ends of the spring to release it. So here we unhook the two springs. And then we remove the washer. There's the washer. Discard, it says. Washer. Now we then pull the gear off. Like so. Now there should be a pin in there, and there was a pin in there, but it fell out when I did it, so I'll show you the pin that fell out, and we have to replace it because it had already fallen out. So luckily I found it and didn't discard it. Here's that pin. So it's now back in the position there, as you can see. Oops. The pin is back in the position. So we now have two broken parts, and they're the new ones. So we then have to apply purpose grease to gear D and E, shown here, on the new part, and here. So let's do that. The new gears. Okay. Right, here we are back in with the install. You can see the two plugs underneath need to be plugged back in, and then it lays on top ready to receive the 4 screws. All good so far. Okay, here we are testing the sat nav. Perfect. Press the back button. Select shut down. Press the middle button. Sat nav fully working.